Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Ventures. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. You can see the condition of my makeup brush. It's broken, it's dirty. So I was looking online for some makeup brushes, for some good makeup brushes, and this particular brand caught my eye. These are a set of 8 makeup brushes from the brand GUBB. The actual price of these brushes is $1,500, but currently there's a 40% discount going on, so you'll get this for $8.99. And if you use this coupon code GUBB10, you'll be getting an additional 10% discount. So I think you should definitely grab this deal because these are premium quality brushes. Why are these brushes so special? They are easily washable. I have used them once and I have washed them because I wanted to see how clean they get. So these are washable. These are very durable and they are cruelty free. These bristles are made up of 100% cruelty free synthetic filament. And also the brushes are very tightly packed. They do not shed. Alright, so I'll just tell you what all brushes we have in here. Upon opening, this is how we get the brushes. Once you start using these brushes regularly, you can definitely carry them in a pouch or you can keep it like this the way you want. These kind of makeup brushes are very good for people who are either makeup artists or if you are a beginner, because the grip of these brushes is very good. It's very kind of anti-skid, so that means this is very comfortable to use. You'll get a very good grip while using these brushes, which I think is 100% right. This is the first brush and this is the powder brush. This is to apply your powder on face, like we have to apply powder under our eyes to settle down all the creases. So you can use this. You can use any compact and just take a little, just dab a little under your eye. Likewise. The bristles are extremely soft, as you can see. The bristles are extremely soft. They feel like feather on skin. They are that soft, as you can see. And also one thing I have noticed, these makeup brushes, they do not take a lot of product. There are some makeup brushes which take a lot of product and disperse very less on face. That's not the case with these GUBB brushes, because they they kind of take very minimal product and disperse it very evenly on your skin. So there will be like zero wastage of product, which is very important. This is the powder brush. This is the blush brush and this has a slight slant, if you can see. So this is very good for blush application. You can also use this to contour your face. This is the third brush and this is the foundation brush. This is a little dense. This is tightly packed. This is very good for applying foundation. I used it once or twice to apply my foundation and then I washed it off, but because I'll be taking very good care of these brushes. Makeup looks actually very flawless by applying this. It kind of disperses and spreads very easily. So it's like even if you're a beginner, you'll find it very easy to apply a foundation with this, because beginners, they kind of are not good in spreading the makeup properly, but this one will spread it for you. These two brushes are for your eyes. This one is to pick the color and this one is to blend. This is short and this is kind of tightly packed kind of a brush. As you can see, this is tightly packed. You can just pick a color and deposit it on your eyelid. And this one is to blend it, like we use 2 to 3 colors on our eyelids, so this is to blend it around the corners and all. So these are the two brushes for your eyes. This is basically a mascara brush. You can dip it inside your mascara and you have to apply it like this, like you apply any mascara. This is very good. The mascara kind of disperses very easily and your mascara won't feel clumpy at all if you use this to kind of disperse the product on your lashes. This is the 7th brush and this is the slant eyebrow brush, and you can use this to fill your eyebrows. Some people have gaps in between their eyebrows, or sometimes you feel your eyebrows are not looking equal, so you can use this to just fill in the blanks. This is the 8th brush and as you can see, this is a small dense brush and this is basically a lip brush. You can just take a little lipstick and apply this evenly on your lips. This is very good for uniform application. This is also very good to outline your lips, and also you can fill inside the color by using this. It will be very precise. It will be very it will look very nice and your lips will look very pouty. So these are the 8 makeup brushes. I will definitely ask you to give these a try. They look very aesthetic. They look very good on your dressing table. They look aesthetic, and again saying the bristles are very soft. The bristles are very nice and very comfortable. They feel very comfortable on skin. Like as I told you, it feels like feather. And also the bristles, they do not shed at all. Like till now they have not shed. So if you can see, they do not shed. So they are very good. They are of a very good quality, premium quality I would say. So they do not shed, and plus there is no such product wastage. I think you should definitely give this a try. I'll once again repeat, currently there's a 40% discount going on, so you can get this for $8.99, but if you use this coupon code GUBB10, you'll be getting an additional 10% discount. So I think at such a minimal price, this is a worth buy. I would ask you to definitely give this a try, because personally I loved this a lot. Yeah, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.